Question 5, exercise 2.4. Here you have to factorize. So if we here we have given 4 terms. As I told you, here we have given 4 terms. So you can directly make the pairs also if it possible. अगर possible है, so we can do it without factorizing factor theorem also. लेकिन अगर आपको factor theorem से करना है, then there is a different method, right? Here we have given 4 pairs. Okay, here we have given 4 terms, sorry. So we can do it like कि अगर आप यहाँ से 2 के pairs उठा लें, as you have done in class 8 also, if you remember. So x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Make the pairs from here. Then x square will be common here. X minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2, right? X minus 2 will be common here. What will be left here? X square minus 1. Further you can solve x square minus 1. It will be x square minus 1 square, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1. So here we have cube. Power is degree of the polynomial is 3. So we'll get the 3 factor here. इसमें आपके पास degree of the polynomial was 2. तो आपको 2 factors मिलते थे. Here you will get 3 factors. Okay. So this is the method you can do here. If it is not mentioned, that do it with the factor theorem. लेकिन अगर आपको factor theorem से करना हो, if you want to do it using factor theorem, then let's see how to do it. See, here the polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So अगर हमें फैक्टर थ्योरम से करना है तो सबसे पहले हम इसका फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम इसमें वैल्यूज को पुट करके देखेंगे कि कब इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 होती है. दिस इज द पॉलिनोमियल गिवन हियर. सो यू कैन पुट हियर 0, 1, 2 एनी. ओके. एंड आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग ऑब्जर्वेशन पे लेना है, इसको चेक करना है, और जब रिमाइंडर 0 होए तो वो आपके पास 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल आ जाएगा. लाइक इफ आई चेक 0 हियर, 0 क्यूब, इफ आई पुट 0 हियर, 0 क्यूब minus 2 into 0 minus 0 plus 2, then it will be 2, which is not equal to 0. So 2 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Then if I take 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, any number you can put here. और आप सबसे बेटर है कि आप ये चेक करें इस नंबर को. ठीक है, जो लास्ट में आपके पास नंबर होता है ना, जैसे हम उसमें करते थे, इसमें 1 है यहाँ पे आगे, यहाँ 2 है. सो 1 into 2, 2. तो जो 2 के फैक्टर्स है ना, इट्स 1 और 2. तो इसका मतलब, और 0 इट ऑल्सो कैन बी 0 तब होगा अगर सभी में वेरिएबल है तो. ठीक है. सो 1 और 2 में से ही डेफिनेटली 1, 2 और -1 -2, 1, 2 -1 -2 पुट करने से डेफिनेटली आपको ये नंबर 0 मिलेगा. ठीक है. तो इफ आई पुट 1 हियर, 1 क्यूब -2 into 1 square -1 plus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now what I got here, x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, as I got the polynomial 0 when I put x is equal to 1, right? So take this one here side. हम क्या करते थे कि अगर x minus 1 फैक्टर है तो हम x की वैल्यू 1 पुट करते थे, x minus 1 को 0 पुट कर देते थे. इसमें ऑपोजिट कर देंगे, take 1 this side, then x minus 1 equal to 0. So now x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. X minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. So what we will do here now, हम इस इक्वेशन को x minus 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे using long division. Divide it by x minus 1. Right? So how to divide now? x को x cube बनाना है, multiplied by x square. X into x square, x cube. X square into -1 minus x square. Subtract it now. Cancel x cube. What will be left here? Minus x square. Take down minus x plus 2. Then we are to form it as minus x square. So we'll multiply by minus x. Minus x into x minus x square. I hope you remember long division. Minus x into minus 1 plus x. See, it should be cancelled properly. If it is factor, then it should be cancelled properly. Then we will change the sign, plus minus, it will be cancelled. What is left here? Minus x minus 2x plus 2. Right? Now it will go on minus 2. Okay? So minus 2 पे जाएगा तो, and here we have minus 2x plus 2, multiply minus 2 by x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Change the sign. It will be cancelled, one positive negative, remainder is 0 now. So here see, x minus 1 is the factor and its divisor, and the quotient is x square minus x minus 2. So if you remember that we can write down the dividend as, it's x square minus x minus 2. Okay, so we have polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. We can write it as x minus 1 is the factor into, if you remember, its divisor multiply quotient, x square minus x minus 2 it was, and plus remainder, and the remainder is 0 here, right? Divisor, dividend is equal to, if you remember, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Remainder is 0 here, so we can write down dividend as divisor into quotient. Factorization form में आ गया इससे, right? So we can write down it as now x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. Now factorize this one, इसको factorize कर दो, x minus 1 into, factorize it, multiply पे minus 2 होना चाहिए, by splitting the middle term factorize it, minus 2x plus x minus 2. If you multiply minus 2 into 1, it will be minus 2. If you will add or subtract, you will get minus x, right? Then open it, x common, x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2. Then x minus 2 common, what is left? X plus 1. Already we have a factor, x minus 1. So here we have 3 factors, and this is this question we have done using factor theorem. Let's try next part to understand the concept. The second one is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, right? So सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, जैसे इसमें आपने पेयर्स लिए थे, पेयर्स लेकर किया था, विदाउट फैक्टराइजेशन थ्योरम ये पॉसिबल था. नाउ यू कैन सी सेकंड पार्ट को आप विदाउट फैक्टराइजेशन कर भी नहीं सकते. द सेकंड पार्ट कांट बी डन यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन, विदाउट फैक्टराइजेशन थ्योरम, क्योंकि इसमें पेयर्स अगर आप अलग अलग भी लो, पेयर्स बनते ही नहीं है. यू कांट डायरेक्टली फैक्टराइज इट. So here we have to use factorization theorem. So what is the next polynomial? It's x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Here, see what we have given here, minus 5. So definitely we can put here 1, minus 1 or 5 minus 5 according to the factors of 5. हम इनमें से ही कुछ put करेंगे and definitely we will get these, we will get the value 0 after putting these values. Either इनमें से ही एक definitely हमें मिलेगी, right? Let's check. Let's put 1 firstly. 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. Right? It's clear, visible that it's not equal to 0. Let's put minus 1 here now. Okay, let's put here now minus 1. Then it will be minus 1 cube, minus 3 into minus 1 square, minus 9 into minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, then it will be minus 1 square will be 1, so it will be minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. Then minus 4 plus 9 minus 5. It's equal to 0. 5 minus 5, it's equal to 0. Right? 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 here. So we can say that minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So we can say here that x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So from here we can say x plus 1 is the factor of the polynomial. Here x plus 1 is the factor of the polynomial. Okay. So x plus 1 is factor of the polynomial. It means we can write it as, we can divide it by x plus 1. अगर x plus 1 फैक्टर है तो वो एक पॉलिनोमियल को पूरा पूरा डिवाइड करेगा. अब x plus 1 से क्या कर देंगे, डिवाइड टू द पॉलिनोमियल x क्यूब minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Divide it. It will go on x square, x cube, x square into 1 plus x square. Next step, subtraction. Change the sign, cancelled. What is left here? Minus 4x square. Take down minus 9x minus 5. Then it will go on minus 4x. Minus 4x square minus 4x. Then subtract it. It will be cancelled. Minus 5x minus 5. Then again it will go on minus 5. Minus 5x minus 5, cancel. So this is the divisor, quotient here. This is the divisor here, and the remainder is 0 here. So we can write it. We can write it as x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1 is the divisor here, and the quotient is x. What was the quotient here we did previously? It was x square minus 4x minus 5. So make the factors here. Open it. X square, what will be the factor here? Minus, by splitting the middle term we'll do it. Minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. X plus 1 into x into x minus 5 plus 1 into x minus 5. Then x plus 1, here x minus 5 will be common, inside it will be left x plus 1. So these are three factors of the given polynomial using factorization theorem.